Hey, hello guys, this is CA Ganesh from Stocks Science and I have two best stocks to discuss with you guys tonight. These two stocks can explode after this small cap and mid cap crash, and they are amazing stocks to invest in. So guys, let us start. But before I tell you anything about those two companies, please help me grow. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. This will motivate me to come out every single day, bring out the stocks that have potential to grow so that even you grow. So guys, please subscribe to the channel. That will be a great help from you guys. So guys, without wasting any further time, let us jump into the first stock. Analysis, the factors for my conviction. So guys, the company I have for you tonight is incorporated in the year 2016. All right. The company is engaged in providing banking and financial services. So I'm talking about the company that is engaged in banking services. That means I'm talking about the stock of a bank company. All right. Promoters are holding 69.16% of the total share capital, which is very good, of course. FII, put together are holding 12.04% of the total share capital. That is again a very good sign. And ROE is 22.6%, which is very good in the banking industry, guys. So now let me tell you something more about the company. The company is an SFB, that is Small Finance Bank, and has recorded the second fastest AUM growth from financial year 19 to financial year 22 among SFBs, with AUM of more than rupees 50 billion. That's great. Now let us talk about business operations of this company, guys. The company provides loans primarily based on the joint liability group lending model for providing collateral free small ticket size loans to economically active poor women for income generation purposes. All right. The micro banking portfolio constituted 81.98%, 75.28% and 66.03% of the total gross loan portfolio as of financial year 21, 22, 23 respectively. So in financial year 21, their micro banking portfolio constituted 81.98%, then 75 in financial 22, then 66.03. Great. And the company also deals with accounts and deposits, credit cards, insurance and investment loans as well. So a lot of activities when it comes to industry. So that's a good sign. Their operations are spread across India and are present in 26 states and union territories with 830 banking outlets and 15,424 employees as of March 31, 2023. 27.35% of their banking outlets were located in unbanked rural centers. So the bank has its branches in rural areas as well. That means the bank is going to be supported by a lot of government schemes. Now, what is the name of the company? The name of the company is Utkarsh Small Finance Bank Limited. Amazing stock. Undervalued stock, guys. You can buy this stock. Now, let us have a look at technical analysis chart. So, guys, this is the chart of Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. Daily time frame. Okay, now let me discuss some things over here. First of all, so you can see this is the trend line. The price of this bank, or the price of this stock, I can say, has tested this trend line 3 times, and every single time you can see it reaches this trend line, it bounces back. As expected, this time it did not happen because of the pressure in small cap and mid cap. You know, small cap and mid cap, they both fell crazily. So the pressure was on almost every single stock other than large cap stocks, right? So I knew that this price wouldn't hold, and that happened. But I knew that after breaking this trend line support, sooner or later the price is going to take a U-turn. So you can see here, once the price reached at this level here, okay, the price started moving up. You can see big engulfing candle over here. Then the next day also the price moved up. Now, when to enter into this stock? As you know, small cap and mid cap stocks are still vulnerable, right? So you have to take a very cautious entry into this stock. Enter into this stock only and only if the price crosses 53 rupees. Okay, 53, 54, you just enter at this price. Okay guys, wait for the stock to cross this trend line support. Okay, wait for the price to reach 53, 54. All right, wait for the price to close at that price, and then you can enter and you can see some amazing returns, guys. All right, that is stock number 1. Now let me tell you about stock number 2. So guys, welcome to stock number 2. All right, analysis the factors for my conviction. So guys, let me tell you something about the company. First of all, the company is incorporated in the year 1926. Imagine, the company is incorporated in the year 1926, guys. The company is engaged in the business of manufacturing, laying and joining of pipelines. The company has also been undertaking infrastructure development programs by way of execution on turnkey basis, the combined water supply projects. The company also manufactures and supplies concrete railway sleepers to Indian Railways. Wow, so the company is working with Indian Railways as well, and you know Indian Railways is seeing some massive development, and the stocks of the companies related to Indian Railways have been seeing some boom. Promoters are holding 72.34% of the total share capital. FII put together are holding 2.89% of the total share capital, and ROCE is 11.6, which is very good in this industry, guys. Now let me tell you something more about the company, that is products and services. EPC contracts, that means the company is engaged in construction, maintenance, laying and joining of pipelines of various pipe materials for providing infrastructure facilities of drinking water supply projects and all. Second product, manufacturing and sale. Bar wrapped steel cylinder pipes, press-stressed concrete cylinder pipes, manufacturing of steel pipes, press-stressed concrete railway sleepers, etc. Projects, water supply. The company executes projects for the supply of drinking water and irrigation water to many parts of India, guys. Drainage and sewerage. The company sets up sewer and drainage pipelines for cities and towns. It has completed and is executing such projects as pumping stations with pumping machinery, manhole construction, supplying and installing sewer pipelines, along with elite civil works and pipe jacking. Great. Projects. In the power sector, the company designs, fabricates and installs penstock pipes for hydroelectric projects and cooling water pipelines for thermal power plants. So the company is working with power sector as well, in addition to railway sector. Manufacturing projects. The company also has operations overseas and has manufactured and delivered concrete pipes and sleepers in Iraq and Burma. So the company is very well known in Iraq and Burma as well, guys. Now clients. So let us talk about the clients of this company. The company has a presence in 12 states of India. Guys, have a look at that, 12 states. Some of the major clients in the private sector are L&T, HCC, NCC, Tata Power, etc. And public sector clients include Indian Railways, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Rail India Technical and Engineering Services, etc. So you can see some big names, right? Yep. So the company is really well established. You can bet on this company and is getting at amazing price. Now what is the name of the company? The name of the company is, guys, Indian Hume Pipe Company Limited. Indian Hume Pipe Company Limited. Now let me show you the technical analysis chart. So guys, this is the technical analysis chart. This is the weekly time frame. You can see over here again support. All right, you can see, let me highlight. Yeah, in May 2023, okay, the price rose from this level and it just kept on running and running and running, then a consolidation. But now you know, small cap and mid cap, they both crashed, right? Yes. So right now the price is available at 278.85. the stock is available at 278.85. you can see this long wick. Let me show you. You can see this long wick, right? This week the price touched 233, but it came back to 278. That means there is some strength. The price is going up. Buyers are pulling this stock up. Now if I go to the daily time frame, you can see after price touching 233, then the next day the buyers came in, and you can see the volume, right? Huge volume. The buyers came in huge numbers and they pulled the price all the way up to 273. Then next day, that is Friday, okay, the buyers pulled the price to 278, but the volume is not that great. And you know the way the market is behaving nowadays, right? Especially small cap and mid cap. So what should we do? We should be very careful with our entries, guys, okay? Observe this stock. Observe this stock. What happens on Monday? If on Monday the price closes above 278.85, maybe somewhere around 280, 289, okay, 285, 289, then I think you can enter. But if Monday the price closes below 278, then the price may go back again to 233. If it happens, you enter at 233, okay? So wait for Monday and then see what happens. But the best stock, guys, okay? Look out for 2 to 3 years in this stock and you will make some amazing returns. Guys, I'll see you some other day. Thank you so much. And guys, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. Thank you. Good night.